Hello and welcome back to Becky's Allotment. I haven't done a video for a while and I've been busy over the allotment recently, building a compost bin, which I'll show you in the next video, and also manuring the beds, which I've done today, which we had a delivery of semi-fresh manure and that's gone on the bed. Anyway, this video is about Bokashi composted. So I have invested in a twin Bokashi bin system. So I am going to be showing you what that is, but I've got these from this place called ethicalsuperstore.com. I can't remember how much it was, but I'll tell you at the end. And this is a fermenting composting system, which is different to your usual in the garden, in the compost bin, aerobic style composting, which is where it uses air and it breaks it down. This system pickles it and then you bury it either in the compost bin or in trenches, and it finishes breaking down. So anyway, I'm not going to go all into the science of it. This is just a different way of composting. So I wanted something to make compost in my kitchen, and this seems to be the quickest way. I don't waste anything. So currently I only compost the peelings and stuff, which I have from my stuff over the allotment. But this means I can put cooked food in it, so if I have anything which I don't eat, I get to put it all in this now, and it will all be fermented, all pickled, and I can take it up the allotment and put it in the compost bin there, or put it in the bean trench, whichever. So I'm just going to show you what I bought and what it does. So let's have a look. So this is the compost bin. There's two of them. I've only got room to show you one at the moment. You've got to fit the tap yourself, so I'll be doing that in a minute. Now the reviews that I've read online say these ones can leak a bit, so I've got this tape, sealant tape, that I bought separately off Amazon to wrap around the thread or something. I'm going to figure that out. I'm pretty sure it just wraps around here. Oh god. So it'll wrap around this thread, and this will go in one end there, and then these two, we'll screw it on the other end. Then we're going to pour some water in it to make sure that it is watertight, because unfortunately there is going to be some runoff from this which you can feed the plants with. So anyway, this is what I've got in the pack. So you've got your bin, you've got your tap, you've got this, which is what your waste sits on. That fits nicely in the system here after you've put your tap in. Then all your stuff goes on top, and any runoff you will then take out each week. Right, so there's your lid, because it's got to be airtight. That'll go on top there. You've got a scoop to scoop out this stuff, which is the bran. So you get, with your actual packet, you get 3 months worth of bran, which will hopefully last. And yeah, I'm going to set this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Right, so I've put some of this sealant tape on. I didn't know what it's like. It's not sticky. It's like, I don't know, like plastic. And I don't know, do I? I don't do anything like this. work in an office. So yeah, this went right there. And now we're going to see if it goes in the bucket. We'll see. I'll tell you in a minute. So there we go. If you're an idiot like me, you got your little plastic washer there, one this side and one the other side, and then the nut goes on there. So now it's just really annoying trying to get it to work. I'll be back. Right, so now we've got the water in there. Not sure if you can see that. No. Come here. Water. Yep. And it's not leaking. Not leaking. See? There's no leak. Oh, there's a leak. Damn it. I haven't done it up tight enough. Take two. So, again, we have water in it. Then we are going to that. No leaks. Make sure it's tight because I didn't. I found the best way to actually put it in. Hang on, I'll show you now. So I found the best way to do these taps up is to put the sealant round. Take these off. So you've got two of these see-through washers. So you want those two. Put the tap on. And these are for the cheap ones. I think you can buy more expensive ones with taps already on them. You want to put the tap in, get your washer, put that on the end, get your other thing, I don't know what it's called. Oh, no. And then, once you put your sealant tape on, you do it up until the tap is, and make sure that it's like that. And then once you actually got it as tight as you possibly can, tighten it up by turning the front bit. And that seems to lock the seal in so that you can have a leak-free tap, because this one wouldn't stop leaking. I tried it about 3 times and it was only when I'd done it up to as tight as I could inside with it on an angle. So, oh, where's my other tap gone? So yeah, done it as tight as I could with the tap like at that angle, and then for the last bit just turned the tap and that sealed it nicely. So as you can see, we now have a working tap. So you can get the runoff there. I haven't actually got anything to put in there at the minute. I know. Before I go, just wanted to say about the runoff that you get off these bins. Runoff, if you dilute it, you can use it on your house plants or in your greenhouse or on your plants outside. You can just feed your plants with it. put your rubbish in. Scoop your bran. Oh no, you've got a pusher as well, hang on. Push down your food to get the air out. You don't want air in this. You want air in a normal compost bin, not in this pickling bin. Let's just call it that. It's a fermenting bin, but we're gonna call it the compost pickler. And just put the lid on properly, airtight, and open it as little as possible. So once it's full, leave it for 2 weeks to pickle. Drain off the liquid through the tap every couple of days, and then put it in your compost bin or bury it in a trench. Job done.